Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to add friends in FIFA Mobile. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is just tap on this friends icon here at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, this one. And then you'll just have to tap on this add friend icon here. Okay, beside the sort by default option, and then you'll be able to see different users here. Now if you want to add the user, you just have to tap on the add friend option and then tap on send request. And then you'll just have to wait for that person to confirm your friend request, so you could be able to be mutual on FIFA Mobile. Okay, just and also you can use the search bar to search for a specific friend. Okay, so for example, this, just tap on continue and then you'll see different users here named Mike. And if you see the right person with a name, just have to tap on the add friend again and then send request. Now you can also tap on the email icon or the message icon. Here you can see the friend requests from the different people that you can confirm, so you could be mutual in FIFA Mobile. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.